So to get this bowl out, it's gonna be a 13.
And what you do next is you gotta screw it on there, right there. So take your oil filter, like that. Here's a trick I want to show you guys. So if you use a sandpaper and you use this side, not this side but the other side, this side, and just wrap it around the oil filter, that will give you a lot more leverage to spin the oil filter. So just wrap it around like this and just turn it. It will give you a lot more leverage. See how it's turning? That way it doesn't slip on you. So that's what it looks like after I got my oil change done. You can see brand new fresh oil.